Hello students, hope all are fine. Let us begin the day with a new topic, children. So, after the completion of the poem, which poem in the last class we have completed, children, whom they brought her valiant aid. After the completion of the poem, one bit is there, children. So, the bit name is the project work. So, in the page number 54, if you refer the page number 54, there is the project work given in the box, children. Let us see the first bit given, children. Let us see what is given in the question. What is given in the textbook? Let us see. Here is a list of few states in India. So here in the box he has given the names of the states from India. Collect the information about the heads mentioned below in the table. That means collect the information. We are going to collect the information about those states mentioned in the box, children. Let us see. Collect the information about the heads mentioned below in the table. After collecting this information, present it before the class and display it in your reading corner or in your notes also. Okay, children, this is the project. We should have to fill this box in the text, and as well you should have to write in the notebook also, children. Okay, so we should have to collect what the heads are given, no, about the heads. What is the headings are given about the state? He has given the different states. Next, famous personalities. We should have to write the famous personalities belonging to those states. Next one, tourist places. That means in those places, what are the tourist places? Now, dance forms. What are the dances are going to be performed in those states that we are going to write, children. Next, food item. There will be a special food item of that state belonging to that state. That also we are going to see here, children. Now, first one he has given about Telangana. That means we are living in Telangana state. So we are going to write about our state only. Famous personality. We should have to select one personality. So children, it is a small project work given in the textbook. So I will explain one personality. Based on that, you should have to find another personality in the same pattern. You should have to write in the notebook. Okay, you should have to take another name of the famous personality belong to those states. And I will mention the tourist places also, children. So in spite of using those places name, you can use your own tourist place also, and dance forms also. Not only one dances are performed in the states. Many different types of dances are performed. You should have to mention the dances names also. Next, food item. We are eating in our diet. We are eating many different types of food. Okay, in Telangana, different state people are living in Telangana state. So different state people have different taste. They should have to mention the people who belong to that state. He should have to mention the food item, the famous food item also, the delicious food item also he should have to mention. Okay, children, understood how to rewrite the table after giving the explanation from the table. After giving the explanation from the blackboard, you should have to prepare one table. That is the small project work given in the textbook, children. Yes. Now, example. I have written few states name. Okay, whatever the state name he has given in the textbook, I have written. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have mentioned 7 states name. I have written some personalities belonging to those states and the tourist places also, children. And I have written. See, in one state there is no 1 or 2 tourist places. There are many tourist places. Okay, in spite of writing what I have written on the blackboard, in spite of writing this places name, you should have to mention your own tourist places belonging to those states. Next one, dance forms also. I have written here dance form. Next one, food items. Okay, children, let us go to the first one here. What is the first one given here, children? The first one is about Telangana. Yes, which is our state? Telangana. Suppose we are living in the Telangana state. Yes, we are living in the Telangana only. But what is the famous personality? The famous personality I have written. I have mentioned one name, children. What is the name? Komaram Bhim. Komaram Bhim, children. Okay. Now tell me. You don't know. who is this personality? If you go through the books, you will find this name Komaram Bhim. Who is that person? What is the famous personality? What he is famous for? What he is famous for? You will find. Let us suppose we will talk about the Komaram Bhim. Who is this person, children? He belongs to tribal people. He belongs to the tribal place, and he is the leader for the tribal people, children. Okay, he is the leader for the tribal people. That means he is the leader for those people who are living in the forest areas, tribal people. Okay, now I have told about the Komaram Bhim. He is one of the leader to the tribal people. He is one of the leader for the tribal people. That's why he became famous in Telangana state. In India, he became famous, but he belongs to which state, children? He belongs to Telangana state. Next, tourist places in Telangana. Which are the tourist places? I have mentioned 2 tourist places, and I will tell in those places which tourist place is there. Which tourist place is there? Suppose go to the Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, how many places are there? Tourist places. You can tell the tourist place. For example, Salarjung Museum. Yes. Nehru Park. Okay, Charminar. These all comes under the tourist place only. Next, in Warangal, what is the specialty of the Warangal? 1000 Pillar Temple. Okay, children. You might have learned about in social. Learned about the 1000 Pillar Temple in social studies, I think. Yes, it is located in Warangal. So, Hyderabad and the Warangal are the 2 places which are famous for the tourism. Okay. Now, dance forms. Which dances are performed in Telangana state? Okay, children. Many dances nowadays children are doing, and the ladies are doing, and the gents are doing many dances. But which is the famous dance performed in our Telangana state? That is the Dappulu. D-U-D-A-P-P-U. Dappu. Okay. The famous dance is the Dappu and the Bonalu. You know, children, when you have the Bonalu, at that time you will have the dance performance. That is the Bonalu. So it is one of the festivals, children. Bonalu. In that festival, some people will perform the dance also. For example, another example I will tell. Batukamma is performed in Telangana. The Batukamma dance is performed in Telangana only. Yes. So it is also one dance form. Next, it goes to the food item in Telangana, which is the famous food item. Everybody knows it and everybody likes also. So what is that? Dum biryani. Dum biryani. So it is made up of with what, children? It is made up of with the flesh. It might be a chicken or another flesh also. So dum biryani is the famous food item in Telangana. Okay, children, I have completed about the Telangana. Now let us go to the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Yes, we have made the partition between there is a partition between the Telangana and the Andhra Pradesh. We are going to deal with the Andhra Pradesh now. Now, Prakasham Pantulu. His full name is Tanguturi Prakasham Pantulu. He is the famous personality belonging to Andhra Pradesh, children. What he is famous for? He is one of the freedom fighter, children. He is Tanguturi Prakasham Pantulu is the famous freedom fighter. Next one. What is the tourist place? What is the important tourist place in Andhra Pradesh? Arakku Valley. Arakku Valley. And the second one is Tirupati. Tirupati is famous for one temple, children. Yes, it is also one of the tourist place. Many people will go to that place. Okay. So Arakku Valley and Tirupati, both of them are the tourist places. Next, dance form. Which dance is performed? In Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi. Okay, Kuchipudi. You can take Kuchipudi Natyam also. So Kuchipudi is the dance performed in Andhra Pradesh. Next, goes to the food item. Pulihora. In other words, we can tell for Pulihora, tiger food or lemon rice also we can tell. Lemon rice. It is yellowish in color and the lemons are added in that to give more delicious taste. Okay, delicious food. Make the delicious food. So Pulihora, it is made up of with what, children? It is made up of with rice. Okay. Now goes to the third one, children. Tamil Nadu. Who is the famous personality here in Tamil Nadu? The famous personality belongs to Tamil Nadu is C.V. Raman. C.V. Okay, C.V. Raman, and he is famous for what, children? Light scattering. Okay, he has done some experiment on science. Okay, that is on light he has done the experiment. He is one scientist, children. Sir C.V. Raman is the scientist. He had made some experiments on light. Okay, he is the C.V. Raman. Next, what is the tourist place here? Tourist place in Tamil Nadu is Madurai. Okay, Madurai and the Meenakshi Amma temple, you can tell. Okay, Meenakshi Amma temple is the tourist place in Tamil Nadu. Next, goes to the dance performance. Okay, dance perform. Which dance is performed means Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is performed in Tamil Nadu state. And what is the food item of Tamil Nadu? Pongal. Okay, Pongal. Pongal is the main food item of Tamil Nadu. Now, next state we are going to know about the Kerala state. Okay, Kerala. Who is the famous personality? Many of them are the children. Comparing education in scientist purpose or whatever it may be, there will be in the politicians, there will be many, but I have taken one personality name. What is name? EMS Namboodiripad. Namboodiripad. EMS Namboodiripad. He belongs to which state? He belongs to Kerala state, children. Next one, tourist places in Kerala. What are the tourist places means? I have mentioned here Cochin. COCHIN. Cochin is the tourist place, and Kozhikode Beach. Beach, you know, children? Yes. So beach. So Kozhikode Beach is very famous beach in Kerala state. Next one, Kathakali. Kathakali. Kathakali is the important dance performed. Okay, it is the dance performed in Kerala state. Next one, food item. Sadhya. S-A-D-Y-A. Sadhya. S-A-D-Y-A-E also will come, children. But Sadhya, it is one food prepared. It is one type of food prepared in Kerala state. It is made up of with what, children? It is made up of with onion setting, onion salad. Okay, it is one type of the onion. You know onion, ulligadda, so ullipai. So it is the onion salad made. It is the main food item prepared in Kerala state. Next, children, after completion of the Kerala, Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka state. And I have taken here one. Many of them are coming from the politicians only and the freedom fighters only. Let us take compared to the sports. One sportsman has came, Rohit Uthappa. Is one of the batsmen, children. He is one of the batsmen belonging to. He is one of the Indian cricket player. He used to play in Indian team. So Rohit Uthappa belongs to the Karnataka state. Which state, children? He belongs to Karnataka state. Next one, what are the tourist places in Karnataka? Gol Gumbaz. G-O-L-G-U-M-B-A-J. Gol Gumbaz is the tourist place in Karnataka state. Next one, Dolu Kunitha. K-U-N-I-T-H-A. Dolu Kunitha is the dance performed in where, children? It is performed in Karnataka state. Okay, it is Dolu Kunitha is the dance performed in Karnataka state. Next one, food item. Which is the important food item? Famous food item in Karnataka state is BC Bhel Bhath. What is BC Bhel Bhath? Bhel Bhath. You know, children. Bhel is sold everywhere in the market. If you go into the market, the pani puri, the person who prepares the pani puri, he will carry this bhel bhath also. But bhel bhath is the main food item which is prepared. Mostly the people who belongs to Karnataka, they used to prepare the bhel bhath. Okay. Next one, children. Orissa. Come to which state now? Come to Orissa. Amia Pujari. Amiyya. Amiya Pujari. What is the personality, children? We have taken from Orissa. Amiya Pujari. And he is famous for what, children? And he is famous for, he is one of the computer scientists. Okay, he is the scientist. Amiya Pujari is one of the scientists, children. He belongs to which state? He belongs to Orissa state. And the famous tourist places in where, children? The famous tourist places in Orissa is the Sun Temple. The Sun Temple and the Chilaka Lake. Chilaka Lake and the Sun Temple are the famous tourist places in Orissa. Next, dance performed. What is the dance performed means? Goti Puwa. Goti, G-O-T-I. Goti Puwa is the dance performed in which state, children? In Orissa state. Next one, Kimhoa. Kimhoa. Okay, children. What is that? Kimhoa. K-H-I-M-O-H-A. Kimhoa. What is the pronunciation? Kimhoa. Kimhoa is the main food item which is prepared in the Orissa state. Now comes to the Punjab. Last one he has mentioned, children. Comes to the Punjab. Okay, famous personality. I have taken one lady name here, one woman name. What is the name of that lady? Kiran Bedi. Okay, you might have seen in the television, I think, and you might have seen in the newspaper also. Kiran Bedi. Okay, and famous for what, children? She is one of the police. Okay, she is one of the police. Yes or no, children? She is one of the police officer. She belongs to Punjab. She is one of the police officer. She belongs to the Punjab. Next one. What are the tourist places? Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh and Golden Temple also in Punjab. Amritsar. It is located in Amritsar. Yes or no? So, Golden Temple and the Jallianwala Bagh are the tourist places in Punjab state. Next one, Bhangra. Bhangra, you tell no, Bhangra. It is the main dance performed in Punjab state. Next one, Makki Roti. Makki Roti Sarso Saag. Makki Roti Sarso Saag. That means it is one type of chapati, children, prepared with maize. Makka, you tell no, Makka. So the chapati made with maize. That is called the Makki Roti. Okay, Sarso Saag. Sarso Saag. It is one of the famous food item in Punjab. Okay, children, all might have understood, I think, the project, how to prepare a project. So you should have to mention the state, famous personality, tourist places, dance perform and food item. Okay, what is your homework, children? You should have to find from the above states given in the text. You should have to find the another famous famous personality name. You should have to find the personality names. Another, no need of taking this one, children. You can take the other one also. So who belongs to the states only. Okay. So this Komaram should not belong to Andhra Pradesh. He belongs to the Telangana. Like that. So you should take some personality name who are belongs to the Telangana only. Then afterwards, in Telangana, some other tourist places. In spite of using Hyderabad, Warangal, you can keep another name also. So dance performs and the food items also. So children, I think all might have understood how to make the projects. So in the next class, I will be meeting with the another topic. Do the homework in time.